Good morning, students. Now it's time for our maths class. All the students, please take out your maths notebook and your pencil. Look at the board, beta. First of all, you have to mention date, day and classwork in your maths notebook. Which date today? Today is 9 February 2021. And which day today, students? Today is beta Tuesday. Today is Tuesday and this is our classwork. CW. CW means classwork. And students, today's our topic is patterns. Today's our topic is patterns. You have to write all the headings in your maths notebook. Okay, students? Today's our topic is patterns. Observe the patterns. Observe the patterns and fill up in the blanks. And fill up the blanks. Okay, students, this is your heading. You have to write this heading in your maths notebook. Okay, let's start. Today's our topic is patterns. Number 1. Look at the board, everyone. देखिए बेटा, first question is alphabet A, alphabet B, and that is alphabet C. After C, what will come? After A, B, B, C. After C, what will come? D. Okay, A, B, C, D. After D, E. After D, E. And after E, F. After E, F. Answer is done. It's very easy topic, students. Patterns A, B, C, D, E, F. हमें एक बेटा पैटर्न्स की सीरीज में चलना है. ए के बाद क्या आएगा? बी, बी के बाद सी, आफ्टर सी डी, आफ्टर डी ई, एंड आफ्टर ई एफ. आफ्टर ई बेटा F. Done, students? Okay. Next, number 2. जो भी बेटा आप आंसर लिखेंगे उनके नीचे आपको क्रेयॉन्स कलर से अंडरलाइन करनी है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, जो भी आप यहाँ पर आंसर्स लिखेंगे उनके नीचे आप किससे अंडरलाइन करेंगे? क्रेयॉन्स कलर से। किससे अंडरलाइन करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स? क्रेयॉन्स कलर से। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज टेबल ऑफ 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 fives are 50 and 10 sixes are 60. Done? Second question is beta table of 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50 and 10 sixes are 60. Question number 2 done. Now next question number 3. Question number 3. A1 B. Next beta question number 3. A1 B2 C3. A के साथ क्या है 1, B के साथ क्या है 2 और C के साथ क्या है 3. तो जो नेक्स्ट हमारी डिजिट होगी पैटर्न्स में वो क्या होगा? A1 B2 C3 D4. नेक्स्ट क्या होगा स्टूडेंट्स? D4. आफ्टर C what will come? D and after 3 what will come? 4. So answer is D4. Next E5. Next is E5 and next is F6. Next is F6. Done students? D4, E5 and F6. Done? I repeat it again. Question number 3. A1, B2, C3. Next D4, E5 and F6. Okay beta. Next question number 4. Next is question number 4. What is this? This is alphabet M. This is alphabet M. And what is this? This is alphabet W. This is alphabet W. And this is again alphabet M. M, W, M. M के बाद क्या है स्टूडेंट्स? W. W के बाद क्या है फिर से? M. अब फिर से M के बाद क्या होगा? W. फिर से M के बाद क्या होगा? W. अब W के बाद क्या होगा? M. W के बाद क्या होगा? M. After M, again W. after M again W. Okay, this is question number 4. You have to write beta these 4 questions in your maths notebook. Then we will do next question number 5. Then we will do next question number 5. Look at the board everyone. I repeat it again. Number 1. Today's our topic is patterns. And number 1. Your first question is alphabet A, B, C. Next pattern series is after C what will come? D, E, F. Okay. Number 2, it's a table of 10. 10 ones are 10. 10 twos are 20. 10 threes are 30. 10 fours are 40. 10 fives are 50. And 10 sixes are 60. Next question number 3, that is A1, B2, C3. A1, B2, C3, D4, E5, F6. D4, E5, F6. Next, number 4, M, W, M. W, M, W. Done, students? I hope you all are understand this topic. Now, question number 5. $90, $80, $70. Look at the board, students. Number 5th question is 90, 80, 70. And before 70 is 90, 80, 70. Next 60. And next digit is 50. And next is 40. ओके, ये बेटा रिवर्स काउंटिंग है 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40. ओके, नेक्स्ट डिजिट हमारी क्या है? 60, 50 एंड 40. Next, question number 6. Shape of circle, square and triangle. Shape beta, circle, square, triangle, and after triangle again circle, then square, and last one is triangle. Okay, question number 6. Shape, circle, square, triangle, then again circle, square, triangle. Okay, students. Next, number 7. You have to write beta Question number 5 and 6 in your maths notebook. Okay. Next, question number 7. Look at the board. 1, 3, 5. क्या आप देखिए बेटा, 1 के बाद 2 मिसिंग है. Then I have to write here 3. 4 is missing. Then I have to write here 5. After 5, what will come? 6. After 5, what will come students? 6. But हम 6 को मिस करेंगे. After 6, what will come? That is 7. After 6, what will come? That is 7. After 7, 8. 8 को हम मिसिंग करेंगे. After 8, 9. 9 के बाद क्या आएगा स्टूडेंट्स? 10. 10 को हम मिस करेंगे. After 10, what will come? That is 11. That is 11. Done beta? You have to write beta question number 1 to 7 in your maths notebook. Now I have given you some questions for homework. Okay students? Now I have given you some questions for homework assignment. This is your homework and heading is complete the patterns. Complete the patterns. Okay, this is your homework time. First question is this is your homework time students. You have to do this assignment in your maths notebook. Question number 4. Okay. You have to write beta these 4 questions in your maths notebook. It is your homework. Okay students? Write down these 4 questions in your maths notebook. This is your homework. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it by yourself. Okay? Today's your homework is students, revise patterns and do these 4 questions in your maths notebook. And students, your writing should be neat and clean. Okay? Thank you.